I get asked a lot, why can't I just go ahead and do this first run at the local printer? You know, I got a guy right down the street. And generally speaking, I mean, there's like 35,000, there may even be down to 25,000 printers in the United States. Most printers can print a book, but only about 50 of them are book printers, okay? Technically called book printers. And what happens, I say a book printer, I mean, that's what he does. So he's got the economies of scale, whether it be buying paper, using the trim sizes, the binding, everything that goes into producing a book. So it just becomes much, it's not that your local printer is overcharging you, okay, but I guarantee you're going to end up paying a lot more money using that local printer than you will just coming through a service like me and using, a book printer to print a book, okay? Use a catalog printer to print a catalog, a book printer to print a book.